Halo anak-anak, bertemu kembali di channel Kelas Miss Alyssa. Di video kali ini, kita akan belajar Bahasa Inggris Kelas 6 SD. Chapter 5. Where did you go yesterday? Sebelum kita mulai, jangan lupa subscribe dan like video ini. Terima kasih. Sekarang mari kita mulai. Chapter 5. Where did you go yesterday? What you will learn. Apa yang akan kalian pelajari? To ask something that happened in the past. Menanyakan sesuatu yang terjadi di masa yang lalu. And to tell something that happened in the past. Dan menceritakan sesuatu yang terjadi di masa yang lalu. Learning objectives. Tujuan pembelajaran. In the end of the lesson, you should be able to. Di akhir pelajaran siswa diharapkan mampu use the expression to tell something that happened in the past. Menggunakan ungkapan untuk menceritakan sesuatu yang terjadi di masa lalu. And respond to spoken expression to tell something that happened in the past. Dan mampu menanggapi ungkapan lisan untuk menceritakan sesuatu yang terjadi di masa lalu. Listen to me and repeat, dengarkan. Dan ulangi, coba ucapkan kata-kata berikut ini. The kids climbed the mountain. Nia rode a horse. Booty fished at the beach. My little brother played a kite in the field. Rudy swam in the lake. The boys cooked noodle at the camp. We drove a car to the mountain. They sang a song at the camp. The girl fed the rabbits. Grammar lesson. Regular and irregular verbs. Try to pay attention to the following story to understand the use of regular and irregular verbs. Last summer, I went to the Grand Canyon and saw its massive cliffs and deep valleys. I took a guided tour and learned how the river carved the canyon over millions of years. As I stood at the edge, I felt amazed by its size. The trip gave me a new appreciation for nature's power. Regular verbs adalah kata kerja yang berubah menjadi bentuk lampau, past tense, dengan cara menambahkan ed di akhir kata. Contohnya, cook, cooked, play, played, climb, climbed. Mereka punya pola yang mudah diikuti. Irregular verbs berbeda. Mereka tidak menambahkan add, tapi berubah bentuk saat menjadi past tense. Contohnya, go, went, ride, rode, swim, swam, drive, drove. Kita perlu mengingat bentuk pastnya. Yang manakah bentuk regular dan irregular verbs dari cerita berikut ini? Yesterday was Sunday. Rani woke up early in the morning. She brushed her teeth and washed her face. Then she helped her mother in the kitchen. They cooked breakfast together. After breakfast, Rani played with her little brother in the garden. They ran around and laughed happily. Then they watched their favorite cartoon on TV. In the afternoon, Rani went to her friend's house. She brought her drawing book and showed her new picture. Her friend liked it so much. When Rani came home, she cleaned her room and did her homework. In the evening, her father made noodles for dinner. Rani ate all of them because they were delicious. Before bed, Rani read a storybook and felt very happy. It was a wonderful Sunday. Jadi ingat ya, regular verbs tambahkan add. Irregular verbs, berubah bentuk. Let's use it in school conversations.
What did you do after school yesterday, Dika?
I played football with my friends.
Nice. Did you clean your shoes after that?
Yes, I cleaned them and watched TV. Where did you go yesterday, Cinta?
I went to the zoo with my family.
Wow. What did you see there?
I saw elephants and monkeys. I also ate ice cream. What did you do on Sunday, Tono?
I washed my bike in the morning. Then I went to my cousin's house.
What did you do there?
We played games and ate noodles.
Did you find your book, Nita?
Yes, I found it under my bed.
Good. Who took it there?
My little brother took it yesterday when he played in my room.
Sekian dulu video pembelajaran kita kali ini anak-anak. Terima kasih sudah menonton. See you again in the next video. Bye.